Hi everyone, Miss Tiffany here to read you another story. This is a little golden book called The Fuzzy Duckling, and it's written by Werner Watson. I just think the little duckling is so cute on the cover. The Fuzzy Duckling. Early one bright morning, a small fuzzy duckling went for a walk. He walked through the sunshine. He walked through the shade. I love these sunflowers. In the long striped shadows that the cattails made, he met two frisky colts. So those are called colts. They're a type of horse. "Hello," said the duckling. "Will you come for a walk with me?" But the two frisky colts would not. So on went the little duckling over the hill. There he found 3 spotted calves. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. All resting in the shade. "Hello," said the duckling. "Will you come for a walk with me?" But the sleepy calves would not. So on went the duckling. He met 4 noisy turkeys. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 white geese. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 6 lively lambs with thick, soft fleece. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lambs. But no one would come for a walk with the fuzzy duckling. So on he went, all by his lone. Oh, poor fuzzy duckling. He met 7 playful puppies. Oh, let's count the puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 playful puppies. And 8 hungry pigs. Let's count the 8 hungry pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what are the pigs eating? Looks like they're eating some corn. I love corn. "Won't you come for a walk with me?" asked the fuzzy duckling. "You had better walk straight home," said the pigs. "Don't you know it's supper time?" "Oh," said the duckling, "thank you. But which way was home?" Just as he began to feel quite unhappy, he heard a sound in the rushes nearby, and out waddled 9 fuzzy ducklings with their big mother duck. Let's see. "There they are, at last," said the mother duck. "Here is our lost baby duckling." "Get in line," called the other ducklings. "We're going home for supper." So the lost little duckling joined the line, and away went the 10 little ducklings home for supper. "This is the best way to go for a walk," said the happy little fuzzy little duck. The end. All right, thanks. See you soon.